Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 128 Rounds Avenue, located in East Providence, Rhode Island. This is a beautifully renovated from top to bottom, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 2-floor apartment, part of a duplex here in East Providence. We're going to begin our walkthrough of this gorgeously renovated unit here in the living area. So, living space is pretty spacious, offers tons of versatility for all kinds of furniture setups. Got about 5 outlets in here for any kind of electronics, wide open windows with lots of street views, beautiful sunshine coming through. And again, with this living area, you have plenty of opportunity for all kinds of furniture setups. It's just got a nice open layout. It does connect to the stairway that leads to the downstairs, which houses the 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It's kind of like a main foyer with the main entryway into the unit. And additionally, this living room houses a large closet space over to the side. So pretty opportunistic living room here in this unit. But flipping around, we'll check out the dining room next. Dining room connects to the galley kitchen, completely renovated galley kitchen. This dining room offers plenty of space for any size dining set. Beautiful decorative lighting up above, houses a glass sliding door that leads to your private balcony. Perfect for a couple chairs, maybe a patio table. You have an additional closet in this dining area as well for some extra storage to this unit. Real quick, we'll go ahead and check out the patio out here in the back. Again, just a nice additional patio to this unit. Beautiful open backyard space, so pretty private back here too. Excellent. Next up is the galley kitchen. So, again, this kitchen has been completely renovated. This includes brand new cabinetry, brand new granite countertops, brand new tile backsplash, and all new appliances. You also have a good amount of outlets in this galley kitchen for other kitchen plugins you like to have, toaster, blender, whatever. But the appliances include the medium-sized stainless steel refrigerator, the 5-burner stainless steel stove and oven, the dishwasher, and the single-bin stainless steel sink. All brand new, all updated. Gorgeous new kitchen space. Awesome, so that's the kitchen, and that's primarily the upstairs. We're now gonna head down to the bottom floor, again housing your 2 bedrooms and bathroom. So, we'll start with the smaller bedroom here on the bottom floor. Both bedrooms can easily fit a queen bed set. I really don't think you'll have a problem doing so. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, but even with that said, a queen bed set should be able to fit in here no problem. You got a good amount of outlets. This, of course, still works pretty well for a bedroom, but if you're a single person or a couple, I could see this bedroom working perfectly as an office space or a guest room. Does house a pretty good sized closet here in the corner as well. Awesome. So that is your first bedroom. Next up is the master bedroom. So, master bedroom, same thing, pretty spacious, perfect for honestly probably a king bed set could fit in here no problem. King or queen, either works. Beautiful new flooring and fresh paint, of course. Housing the glass sliding door here that kind of leads to a little patio space on the bottom floor here. Again, just extra amenity to have with this unit. And you'll notice that you have a couple plug-in ACs throughout this unit as well. This unit does house a baseboard heat system. Give you another perspective of this bedroom just to show the size off a little bit. There's your closet space there in the corner. Awesome. Lastly, we'll check out the bathroom. So bathroom has been completely renovated, including a brand new tile flooring, fresh paint, brand new sink vanity and mirror vanity, and an updated shower stall and tub right across. Perfect. So once again, this is 128 Rounds Avenue here in East Providence, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we post on our website. And of course, we also provide any news related to real estate and property management on that YouTube channel as well. If you are indeed interested in scheduling a showing, feel free to contact the Nexus Rhode Island office at 401-288-1117 and just let us know that you're interested. Thank you.